In today's digital age, having a local presence is key to unlocking your business's full potential. And finding Philippines numbers to effectively run your business from abroad and keep in touch with local Filipino clients can be a daunting task, both financially and logistically. Let distance not hold you back. Let me show you how to get a Philippines phone number easily. Simply, go to KrispCall.com and click on Get Started. Enter the valid email address and verify your email with the OTP code sent. Now, enter your personal information, such as your first name, last name, phone number, etc., to create a KrispCall account. Choose either personal or business based on your needs. Select one or more use cases from the list that fit your personal or business needs. For business purposes, enter your company information. You can choose one of the plans. Good news, choosing the annual subscription plan saves you 20%. Enter your card details, and then confirm your payment. Now you will be directed to the dashboard. Update your KYC to use KrispCall's cloud telephony feature without limitations. Now to buy Philippines phone number. Click on Settings and tap on My Number. Now you can select Philippines from the list of countries. KrispCall provides SIM-less phone numbers from over 100 countries, so you have a long list of options. Select your desired number, name it, and add it to the cart. You can add multiple numbers at an additional cost. Once you are done adding numbers, confirm your purchase. And to register a number under your name, you need a document, such as your ID showing your address. You can learn more about the document requirements by visiting our country coverage page or contacting our support team. And that's it. You now have a Philippines phone number, no matter where you are. Aside from communicating with family and friends, these numbers can also be used to expand businesses, set up virtual call centers, and outsource business processes. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your business work, remote work, and even personal communication to the next level with KrispCall.